Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to block message from unknown numbers on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, blocking message from unknown numbers help you avoid spam, which can be annoying and overwhelming. Spam messages often include promotional content, phishing attempts, or scam. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open the Messages app on your device. Okay, once inside the Messages app, locate and tap on the three-dot icon located in the top right corner of the screen. And from the menu that appears, select the block option. And after entering the block menu, once again tap on the three-dot icon. So, select the filter rules, and within this menu, you will find two options that you can activate: block numbers not in contacts and block unknown or hidden numbers. You can enable both of these options by sliding the toggle switch next to them. Okay, by following these steps, you can activate the blocking feature for numbers not in your contacts and also for unknown or hidden numbers, thus enhancing privacy and reducing unwanted message disturbance. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to block message from unknown numbers on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.